What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to convert USDT to TON on Bitget wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly convert or swap your tokens here. Well, first thing that you want to do is you want to open up Bitget wallet. And in here, since we want to swap or convert here, we just need to click on the more option because we want to access that specific feature. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to go to markets and trade and just choose swap. Now, in this next page, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and specify a few things. Now, since we want to swap or convert USDT to TON here, you want to set the from to USDT and the to section to TON. So in this case, go ahead and click on the appropriate one here, and you want to go and choose your chain. So in this case, as an example, let's go ahead and choose BNB chain here, choose USDT, and go ahead and choose TON coin as well. Now, by the way, if you're swapping cross-chain here, just keep in mind the fees are going to be a lot bigger. But if you're just swapping on the same chain, don't worry about it. Fees are going to be a lot lower here. But if you have enough here, so in this case, specify the amount that you maybe want to swap or convert here, you should be able to see how much you'll be receiving. Now, once you are sure that you want to do this, you can go and click on confirm, or just click on the swap button that you'll be seeing here if you have enough funds in your wallet here. So go ahead and confirm a few things. They might ask you to confirm your account here, enter your password, or do a two-factor authentication or verify your identity. So go ahead and just complete that, and you should be able to convert or swap your tokens. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.